ever wonder what's it really like to shop groceries in record time and get paid well for doing it? Well, come with me. I'll show you the full process from accepting the order to dropping it off at the customer's door. Now, before I accept the order, I check the order details very quickly. I look at the distance, the payout from Instacart, and the tip. And that's how I decide if it's worth taking. Now, this one here, it's solid and it's nearby, so let's do it. And by the way, my name is T. I have been an Instacart shopper for over 8 years and I have completed over 10,000 batches. So if you want to know all things Instacart, this is where you should be. And I've learned a few tricks to save time and earn more money along the way. Now, once I'm at the store, I start planning my route through the aisles based on what is in the order. The goal is efficiency. Every moment counts when you're handling many items. And over the years, I've learned the fastest way to navigate these stores without backtracking. Now, while shopping, I double check everything: sizes, quantity, expiration dates. If something's out of stock, I immediately suggest a replacement to the customer through the app. Now, I notice that I group items together by aisle. I keep the basket very organized. It helps when I'm checking out because I bag like items together. So small tweaks like this save huge chunks of time in the long run. Now, once I am done shopping, I carefully check every single item quickly and carefully to make sure nothing was added, nothing fell out, that I have everything that should be in the order and nothing more. So when it's time to check out, I typically try my best to self-check out because I know that it will be bagged properly without having to go and rebag once I get to the car. Bagging is carefully is very key. So I put heavy items on the bottom and of course fragile things like eggs and chips neatly on the top. And it also shows customers you care when their food comes properly bagged. Now, I get to the car, I make sure there's nothing in my trunk or cargo area, and I put all the deliveries in there. So once I take everything out and I give everything to the customer, there should be nothing left over, so no chance of me forgetting something. So I load it in my car, always checking for the customer's notes. It may say drop off at the porch, in the garage, knock when you come, don't knock, different things like that. I just want to get clear communication so that I can have a quick delivery. Happy customers often lead to higher tips. And just like that, the order is complete from start to finish. Every step counts, and getting it right is what makes a seasoned shopper stand out. And if you want more tips from a pro who's done over 10,000 batches, follow along and I'll show you how to make Instacart money faster, smarter, and more profitable with every step of the way. So thank you for tuning in to This, That, and Those Carrots. My name is T. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.